Hello, I'm Helen Morment, CEO of AMMF, the Cholangiocarcinoma Charity. Welcome to AMMF's European Cholangiocarcinoma Conference 2023. This year, AMMF is delighted and honoured to welcome as our co-chairs Professor John Bridgewater from the UK and Professor Lorenzo Rimassa from Italy, hugely respected and knowledgeable specialists within the cholangiocarcinoma world. They'll be hosting a faculty of speakers of more than 40 leading experts in all areas of cholangiocarcinoma from across the globe. Last year, 2022, we marked a special anniversary, 20 years since AMMF came into being, the world's first charity dedicated solely to cholangiocarcinoma. And we recognise that milestone by acknowledging the advances the charity has made, as well as the advances in research and the progress seen in the treatment and care of the cholangiocarcinoma patient over those 2 decades. This year is all about innovation. The co-chairs and the AMMF team have put together an exceptional 3-day programme, highlighting the many innovations we're now seeing. Once again, our conference will be hybrid, live in the UK and streamed live to our virtual delegates across the world. Our conference opens with sessions specifically for our patients and carers, but open to all delegates. Firstly, with a presentation and discussion with an ideal multidisciplinary team. And then we'll hear from a number of representatives of cholangiocarcinoma advocacy organisations who are doing so much around the world to raise awareness and to support those with this most challenging cancer. Day 2 features presentations updating the current understanding of cholangiocarcinoma, what is happening now with treatments, with molecular profiling and targeted therapies, chemotherapies, and with clinical trials, and looking forward to what is on the horizon, especially with liquid biopsy, stenting, and liver transplantation. We have speakers from across the UK, as well as from the Netherlands, France, Spain, Italy, Ireland, the USA, Thailand, and China. On day 3, we'll hear from the specialist groups, Cholangiocarcinoma UK and ENSCA, the European Network for the Study of Cholangiocarcinoma. And we'll be looking further to the future with sessions on big data and novel findings in cholangiocarcinoma research, as well as hearing reports on some AMMF-funded research. The cholangiocarcinoma patient is at the heart of everything AMMF does, and they're always an integral part of our conferences. This year, we're privileged to have 2 guests whose lives have been touched by cholangiocarcinoma, sharing their stories with us. Judith from the UK on Thursday and Francesca from Italy on Friday, and they are certainly inspirational. Throughout the 3 days of the conference, a virtual exhibition hall featuring our sponsors and not-for-profit colleagues will be available. Some sponsors will also be exhibiting live, and there'll be a virtual poster hall, and researchers will be presenting their work at our live event too. Of course, this year's conference wouldn't be possible without the incredible and generous support from our sponsors, who are working hard themselves to advance care and treatment in cholangiocarcinoma. So, heartfelt thanks go out to AstraZeneca, Insight, Taiho Oncology, Jazz Pharmaceuticals, and Servier. I wish everyone, whether you're joining us live in the UK or virtually from across the world, a most enjoyable and informative AMMF European Cholangiocarcinoma Conference 2023. Thank you.